What's up, guys? Back here with another video for you guys. We got the dirty Dingo engine mounts. Sorry, you guys. We got the dirty Dingo engine mounts in. I am very impressed with them. The quality. They are super heavy for the weight. You know, they got some weight to them. Pretty much simple to work. You take these bolts off here. And to get to the back, take these bolts off. Then this is where the mount would go. Those three there, but to take the face mount off itself, and then she slides right off. Okay, and then that's the underside. That's what it looks like. So obviously they got it marked. This would be the driver's side. Okay, I have the passenger down in the back, and this is what the back looks like. Okay, so overall I'm happy with it. It's not too bad. They're heavy, but it's not too bad. So we will get this installed onto the car here soon. I would say when the weather gets appropriate. This is about how much I spent. So as you guys can see, so that's not too bad neither. I mean, it could have been cheaper, but for what I wanted to see for these engine mounts, I wanted to see the quality of them and how they perform and how easy are them, because I like simple things, so I don't mind paying a little more for simple things. So I thought I should just make this video for you guys. Nothing too long, nothing too short, so you guys get a look at that. Dirty Dingo. Let's see if we can get it to refocus. Yeah, there we go. So again, it's plain steel, and then they have the Dirty Dingo engraved in it. So other than that, it's pretty much a nice setup. So we'll be having a video soon of this up here when the weather gets appropriate. So see you guys soon. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell notification, so that way every time I post a video, you guys get notified of the update. And see you guys soon.